Well, wind picked up a little bit this morning. Made it cool to sleep. It's cool, man. Just showing you the mosquito net. It's nice. You don't need when you're out here on the water, you don't need this fine netting that's for no-see-ums. You just need the mosquito nets because the no-see-ums don't travel out this far. But you'll get the random rogue mosquito. And that's what you're trying to avoid. Well, look at that. Got ourselves a nice sunrise coming up. I'm going to attempt to try to catch some pinfish. I'm going to try a technique I haven't done before. So we're going to use a little sausage and we'll see if that does the trick. If not, I'll probably dip it in some chum that I have out too. I think will be good. I see some pilchards coming in here. And if these are bigger pilchards, then actually kind of look like it. They should react to that chum here. Yeah, look at this. They're going nuts. Well, I guess we'll go for pilchards instead. So I'm just standing here. I was about to try to go for some pinfish, but instead we've got pilchards. Put the polarized lens over. Not sure if you can see them, but anyhow, got some pilchards out here. So this will take some chum. Let's get them all. They really like it. Look at them going to town. Let's see if we can net some. So basically, this guy on YouTube showed me drill out these holes here. They're getting clogged because I have a lot of crud in there, I guess, from the net. But then you just pour in new water, and then it recirculates, or not recirculates, but it's a good way to get fresh water in there. And you want to do it. You want to put a lot of water in there at the beginning. But yeah, look at this. Yeah, sweet. And we still got more. Still got more pilchards back here. There's some chum. I think I'm going to catch a bunch more and then just put them in the cooler. Or one throw more and put them in the cooler. So I'm trying to catch the little pinfish. So I'll try this. I'm not good at it, but use a teeny little hook. And I find that I'm having to put a little piece. It's got to be a small little piece, and it's got to cover the tip, I think. Anyhow, I'm experimenting. Let's see if I can catch one. All right, just the tip here is covered up. Yep. Low hanging fruit for you. Oh, all right. I also better put on my left-handed glove so I can handle the pinfish. They're real spiny. As you can see, my hat looks pretty ghetto, but I did it because I noticed that sun was still coming through. It was still coming through and I didn't want to get burned. So I just sewed some ripstop fabric up there. It's like leftover kite material I had. They eat it quick, so if you didn't catch something in the first 10 seconds, you lost your bait. Boom. Sweet. So I cleared out a bunch of the bait. There used to be a lot more in there, but it was overcrowding.